The other day, I been dey read for paper. Somebody say the thing wey make PDP dey fear why they go court be because they no go fit win election. I can't ask myself, PDP no start anything. The people wey dey do something na GDI, wey be engine for PDP. And una dey see am like this. Another person wey dey complain, dey do something inside hall. Inside one hall, oh, inside the hall. So, who will be the person wey suppose fear? No be person wey dey for hall. So, I said, make I tell una, my people, make una no worry. Wetin we see here today, e belleful us. We dey hear the story for Abua. Say, get one King Kong, wey una get. But wetin I don see here, una don overcome that King Kong. The only thing wey una need to do, wey we dey preach, make sure say you secure your PVC. We know say una get PVC. Make una secure am. Make una also make sure say people wey never register, the remaining 4 days, make them register. No worry about wetin go happen for election. Wuru no dey again. Na the people wey come out, na dem go vote. So no fear. I know they talk about that one again because I know say that one, na things wey happen for the Bible story. No be thing wey go happen again, eh? Make you no fear. We dey watch una back. The people wey get your back, na GDI. The people wey get your back, na the people wey GDI get, wey they call PDP. No be campaign we come, oh, but we dey put the line properly so you go understand where we dey come from and also know where we dey go. So you no get any problem anywhere. Our mission here, make sure say your PVC dey, so that when you reach that day, una leaders go tell una wetin una go do. No be me go tell una. Even those people wey wan do anything, you go do wetin dey for your mind. But I know say wetin dey for your mind na SIM card, no be am. The thing wey dey your mind no be SIM card. The thing wey dey your mind no be to simplify government. The thing wey dey your mind no be so that I go dey come here dey chop the thing wey you know say I be una people now. I don come here more than 10 times. No, no word where you go why no get friend here. No be so. So who be your brother? No be Fubara be your brother. No be the person where they help una brother here where they help una too. So now who be the person where you want? No be Fubara. So don't worry about that one now. Just maintain SIM, to simplify governance, to simplify Abua. Abua don't get problem. Once you key into the SIM, una no get problem, una no get problem.
The other factor to be considered is that in Rivers State there are 2 teams. New Rivers team, which is Team Wike, and the others. Even though with the political development of the few days ago, it appears, we don't know until the events unfold properly, that one other team is trying to metamorphose into another team. Whether they will be in existence or not is a business for another day. But the important thing is that Team Wike had come to tell Rivers people between 2015 and 2019 that this is what I will do. And Team Wike had delivered on their promises. In campaigning in 2015-2019, Team Wike went to Ogoni land, precisely in Gokana, and saw an abandoned project, Bopiet Border Road, awarded by the previous administration to a contractor and abandoned by that contractor. Governor Wike promised that he was going to complete that road. He did not only dualize the road, he beautified the road with a street light. That is Team A, Team New Rivers. Again, Governor Wike saw the need to dualize Sapenwabori Road because of the economic importance of the Ogoni axis of the state, because of the need to improve on the security of that area, because of the need to attract companies to that area in order to create employment. He did not only promise, he dualized Bori Road, and today he's taking that road from Bori to Kona Waterside. I've been clear for Team Wike. And so, the other team, they promised They said so many things. We didn't know what they have done. So when the time comes, they will tell us. Like in any competitive game, no coach or a participant or even a spectator will change a winning team. Team Wike has delivered on the promises, so it's a winning team. Will you change a winning team? Will Rivers people change a winning team? So the choice is yours.